This is the second part of our project, the curl part. Let's first make sure that our Tomcat server is running. So yeah, our server has successfully started. Now let's go into the curl part. This is the command prompt. Here I want to check the create, insert, retrieve, update and delete parts of both customer and order. So here I have the code ready. So let's first create a customer. This is the creating a customer is a post method. Here I create a customer by sending the following parameters. I put the name as Siri and her contact number. So let's just run this to create a new customer record. So here we can see that the customer has been successfully created with the ID as 3 and name Siri and contact number. This customer doesn't have any orders, so the orders are set to null. If any orders are available for the customer, they will be displayed here as it is one-to-many relationship. So let's check that this customer is created by running the statement in SQL Developer. Previously, these are the customers that I have in the table. I just have 2 customers. Now I have added one more customer. Let's see. So here we can see that the customer Siri has been added with customer ID of 3. So next, let's add a customer order for the customer that we have now added. Here is the code that I have for customer order creation. So I want to create a customer order for the customer ID as 3, the customer that I have recently created. So I want the address of the customer to be this, and the order date and the amount of order. Let's just run this on curl and see. Here we can see that a new order has been created with ID 6 and the address of the customer, date and the amount. So thus let's check this order record if it is available in the SQL Developer. Yeah, let's just check the order table now. If it has the recent order that we created for the customer of ID 3. Yeah, here the customer ID 3 got a new order created with order ID 6. Thus successfully we have created an order through curl. So next, let's just retrieve the information that we have. So let's just retrieve the information of customer. Let's just first check what are all the customers that we have. So I wrote a method for get all customers. So I'll just run it here. So get all customers. So here we can see that we got a list of all the customers here along with the all. This is the customer 1, ID 1 with name and his contact number, and the related orders of these customer are, even though I have asked just for the customers list, here the orders list is also displayed for each customer. By this we can know that it is one-to-many relationship proved here. So this is the retrieve for customers. If we want a particular customer to be retrieved, like I just want the customer customer 3 to be retrieved, details of customer 3 to be retrieved. So let's just enter this code in curl and check for that. The command prompt. Okay, so here I have the curl get part, so it's retrieve, so it is a get method. Here I want the information of customer with the ID 3. So here we got the output successfully. So it informs that the ID 3 customer has name Siri and the contact number, and the related order that I have created is even displayed here. So let's just retrieve some instead of retrieving this or created order, I will retrieve the any other order present. So first let me have the code to retrieve the order. So I want to retrieve the order, some number like order ID 1. So let's check the details of order with order ID 1. Here as you can see we have the order ID 1 and I want the details of it, so I call the retrieve order. So here we got the details. This is the response from curl. Here it shows the order ID 1 is shipped to the following address on date. The order was raised on the date and the amount. Let's check if this is correct. This data that we got is correct. By going to SQL developer, just check the order details that I asked for. Order ID 1 had got the amount 120, order date and address. Let's check if this is same. Here you can see the amount, address and date. Yeah, these are the same. Thus we got the order, we retrieved the details of order with ID 1. Let's just update the customer first. I just want to update a customer of ID 3, the customer that I have created in the first step. I just want to update the customer. I change the name and also the contact number for the customer. So let's just run this on curl. Sorry, here something had gone. Sorry, the code that I entered, just let me just check it once. For convenience I have saved all the codes on notepad, but I think something had gone wrong. Here I have the code for updating customer. Let's just bring that. Sorry. Creating and now updating the customer. I want to update the customer of ID 2 with the following details. So I'll just check it. here you can see I asked to update the customer to which was with name Veena, and I changed the contact number. Previously the name of the customer was of ID2 was as I have previously the name was David Smith. Now here you can see that the name was changed to Veena. Here it got successfully changed, so we got it represented in the table. So next let's update an order. So here to update an order, I want to update an order of order ID 6. Let me pull the code here. This is the report part that I have submitted along with this video. Here I have the curl codes for update, so I just want to use this code and run on the command prompt. Here I have the code to update an order. I want to update the order of ID 6. I just changed the amount here. Previously the amount of the order of ID 6 was of order ID 6, the amount was 400. Now I want to change it to 1000. So here I just copy pasted my code from report so that time is saved. Here you can see my order is updated. Order of here is the result that my order of ID 6 has been updated the amount to 1000. So let's just check this once again from the SQL developer. Previously my order was of ID 6 was amount 400. Now it will change to 1000. I just ran the statement select star from order table, which gives list of all the orders. Here for my order of ID 6, it's now changed to $1000. Thus the update order worked in curl. So next